are a great thing. There was no budget for the wardrobe, so with that comes you're going and looking in all these kind of op shops and vintage store, anywhere that you can get things for $5, so that everything was so authentic. And the costume designer it was fantastic, because I walked in there and there were those white shoes, and Lee has a thing about shoes, and he was like, you gotta have the right shoes. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get those shoes. And there were the white shoes that were all, as soon as we scuffed them up, I was like, this is it, these are the perfect shoes. And then she just sort of started trying stuff on me, and it was just everything she put on me worked, and we just would Polaroid it and show it to Lee, and he'd go, yeah, which is rare. But it's great, because when you don't have any money in the costume department, you have to ferret around and find these things that other people would be sewing and making and trying to dye, and these things are just real from that time period, and found in stores down in New Orleans. Perfect.
What were the folks in the community like while you were shooting?
Well, which community? The swamp?
The swamp.
Gators.
We saw several Confederate flags. It was a little scary. For me, it was scary. And I oftentimes had to get my AD to talk to locations, because they wouldn't talk to me. It was interesting. It put me into a place of being able to direct a piece.
Okay, yes, right over here.